Hey guys, what's up? It's Bindayak here, back with another video, and today we'll be unboxing something that's like a succession to the smart home setup. So we'll be unboxing the Google Chromecast Media Streaming device too. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so here's how the box of the Chromecast looks. You can have a look. So for basically the people who don't know what this device is meant for, I'll just explain it in brief. So the Chromecast is basically a device which you can use to cast your mobile phone or any other smart device onto your television. And you can even use the Google Home Mini and give it a command to play any video on to your TV by using the Chromecast. So let's unbox it. So we have a seal over here, a kind of as you can see right here. Now let's open it. So now that's gone. Okay. So I guess yeah. So you can open it now. So this thing is just coming off, and we have our Chromecast. And over here it says getting started, plug into power and TV, plug power cable into Chromecast, plug Chromecast into TV, plug power adapter to wall socket. Okay, so the next step is switch TV input. Switch TV input source to the HDMI port which your Chromecast is plugged in. Then the third one is set it up from your phone or tablet. So yeah, there's that, and here's a brand new Chromecast. Okay, so let's take it out from the box. So here's how it looks. And it has HDMI on this end. So there's a button, mostly power button, the micro USB for the power cable. So now let's keep the Chromecast to the side and look at the content of the box. So when we take this thing off, we get the power adapter, which has micro USB on this end. So let's check whether there's anything else in the box. So there's nothing left inside of the box. It's fully empty now. So let's keep the box to the side. And so I'll give you one more look. Here's the power cable. And here's the main device, the Chromecast. So now let's set it up and plug it onto our TV. So let's go. So the Chromecast says set me up. So the website's address is chromecast.com/setup. So now let's set it up. So if you search chromecast.com/setup, it basically tells you to install the Google Home app, which is already installed on my phone. So now we'll set it up from there. So now I have opened the Google Home app and it says one device found. So now let's set it up. So it says Chromecast found. Would you like to set up? I would say yes. It says connecting to Chromecast. Now it says connected. See the code on your TV? Yeah, it's correct. Yes. So the code that's given is the same one that's on my screen, which is D8J2. Yes, I'm in. So this device is basically in my drawing room, so I'll click that. So now it says it's connecting to Wi-Fi, so I'll connect it. It says connecting to Wi-Fi. Chromecast is connecting to Wi-Fi. So it says we are online, hold tight while we fetch the update. So basically I guess the Chromecast is updating. And on the phone it says linking your Chromecast, so it's linking my Chromecast to the TV. So there's an update for the Chromecast, which is almost done. And on the screen it says updating Chromecast. The latest Chromecast software is being installed. Hold on, this may take 3 to 4 minutes. So it says the TV needs reboot to apply this update. So it's restarting. So there's the Google logo. It says connecting, ready to cast. So it's set up. To watch on the big screen, tap the cast button from any cast enabled app. So now let's test it with the Google Home. First I'll pair it up, then we'll check if it works with the Google Home or not. So let's check it. So now I've connected my Google Home Mini to the Chromecast, and now let's check out some commands. So hey Google, play Bindayak Studio on TV.
Alright, playing.
So as you guys can see, the Google Home Mini is playing my latest video.
Hey guys, what's up?
Yeah, so the Google Home Mini works flawlessly with the Chromecast, and now if I say the Google Home Mini to play anything on TV, it will play it, as you guys saw. And also other cast enabled apps will work as well. So that wraps it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.